The all-new 2026 Honda CR-V is here, and it's a significant upgrade from the previous generation. This compact SUV is more refined, more advanced, and more practical than ever before. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 CR-V features sleek, modern styling, with sharper LED headlights and a bolder front grille that give it a confident face. The side profile gains strong character lines and optional larger alloy wheels for added presence. Around back, full-width taillights and a sculpted bumper make it look clean and contemporary, something that fits any lifestyle, from school runs to weekend getaways. Under the hood, Honda offers two strong The standard CR-V comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers around 190 horsepower and plenty of torque for spirited driving. It's paired with a smooth CVT that gives a calm and efficient ride. For those seeking even more efficiency, the hybrid version combines a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors for a combined output of about 204 horsepower. That hybrid brings excellent fuel economy, intuitive power delivery, and a seamless driving experience whether you're in the city or cruising on the highway. On the road, the 2026 CR-V delivers a composed, confident drive. The suspension soaks up bumps well, and the steering feels precise. You'll notice how quiet the cabin is, with refined noise insulation and a smooth throttle response. The result's a vehicle that feels calm in traffic, composed on the open road, and comfortable. For long trips with passengers, step inside, and the 2026 CR-V feels more upscale than before. The cabin features high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a clean, modern layout. A responsive 10.2-inch touchscreen is standard, while upper trims get a larger 12.3-inch display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come included, along with Bluetooth and USB-C ports for easy connectivity. Front seats are supportive and adjustable, available with heating and ventilation. The rear seat area is spacious, with plenty of legroom and reclining capability in higher trims. Cargo space remains generous, and the hybrid's battery placement keeps the cargo floor flat, making it easy to load groceries, gear, or weekend. Luggage. Safety is a big focus as well. Honda's latest CR-V comes equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of drive-resist features. You'll find adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, braking, road departure mitigation, and traffic sign recognition. The SUV also includes blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, making parking and merging much easier. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Honda CR-V starts around $30,000 for the base gas model, with mid-range trims offering additional comfort, convenience, and styling upgrades. The hybrid CR-V starts closer to $33,000, and well-equipped hybrid XL or touring trims reach the high $30,000s. Prices are competitive and bring real value given the size, efficiency, tech, and safety on offer. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Honda CR-V the compact SUV that checks all the boxes? Fuel efficient, safe, roomy, and stylish, it's tough to resist. If you enjoyed this first look, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more new car reviews and first looks, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.